Hi Knights! In this video, we will review assignments within Webcourses at UCF. You will learn how to access the assignments page, submit an assignment, add a comment, or read an instructor's comment, and review your assignment grade. To view assignments, open your course and click Assignments in the course navigation menu. This should open the assignments page. Please note, courses may not have the assignments link. Instructors determine which links appear in their course menu. At the top of the assignments page, you can search for assignments by name. You can also filter your assignments by either date or type. Assignments can be organized into 4 different sections: overdue assignments, upcoming assignments, undated assignments, and past assignments. Each assignment displays the assignment name, any availability and due dates, and the number of points the assignment is worth. If the assignment does not have a date listed, the assignment is open. Either you can submit the assignment at any time during your course, or your instructor has not yet set a due date. If your instructor has organized assignments into groups, you can use the Show by Type button to view the assignments grouped by type. For example, in this sample course, the instructor divided assignments into 3 groups: case studies, exams, and course assignments. To view the details of an assignment, click the name of the assignment and click on the Start Assignment button. The assignment details page includes the assignment title, the due date, the number of points assigned, the submission requirements, and any instructions for the assignment. Please note, an assignment can be locked before an instructor wants it open or after the due date has passed. Instructors can choose what kind of online submissions and file types they want you to submit. You may also have the option to resubmit assignments if your instructor allows. To submit your assignment, select your submission type. For this example, we will be uploading a Word document as our submission. Click on the Upload File button, then choose File to browse for your document on your computer. Select your assignment file and click Open. You should now see your file name. If you have additional files to upload, click Add Another File. You can also submit a file that you've previously uploaded to Webcourses at UCF by selecting the Click Here to find a file you've already uploaded link. If you want to leave your instructor a comment with your submission, type your comment in the comments text box. Click on the Submit Assignment button to complete your submission. After you've submitted your work, you will see information in the sidebar about your submission. For file uploads, the sidebar provides a link to your submission. If your assignment was turned in late, that will be indicated next to the submission date. If you choose, you may resubmit another version of your assignment using the New Attempt button. You will only be able to view the details of your most recent submission in the sidebar, but your instructor will be able to see all your submissions. To see the full details on your assignment submission, click the Submission Details link. If your instructor leaves any comments on your assignment submission, you can view them here. Once your instructor has graded your assignment, your grade will appear in the sidebar of the Assignment Details page. You can also view your grade by going to the Grades section of your course. For more information on navigating the Grades section, watch the Manage Your Grades video. Remember to check your courses frequently to ensure you don't miss any assignments. Thank you for watching this video on submitting assignments within Webcourses at UCF. If you have any questions, please contact Webcourses at UCF support for assistance. Charge on!